things that livestock do to fishing lakes.
Hello everybody, Bob Lusk, the Pond Boss.
Daniel Hendrick says, can livestock and good fish habitat coexist? You know, I've seen that, but I don't know the best answer. Here's the answer. When you've got livestock, it depends on your numbers, really. I mean, if you're overgrazing a pasture, then you're going to have an influx of nutrients that might enhance the fishery, but it won't do it for long before it starts to degrade water quality. The two things that livestock do to fishing lakes is they don't degrade the habitat unless they're watering where you have spawning beds. If that's the case, then they do. Then they'll inhibit it. If the fish have other place to go to spawn, they will. But what livestock can do is they can cause unnecessary erosion by beating down the shoreline where wave action can erode the shoreline. They form trails where when it rains, water will come down the trails and erode those trails, and all that silt ends up in your pond. And in the upper watershed, the waste that they provide can be too much for a pond to support. I've investigated dairy lagoons many times where there was no doubt in my mind that there were so many cows in that pasture that they had a measurably hard impact on the water quality. So in that case, they don't coexist as well. Hey, thanks for stopping by the Pond Boss YouTube channel. Be sure and share it, click like. And oh, by the way, Pond Boss magazine, $35 a year, cheaper than a Friday night date, and it lasts a year. Hope you enjoyed this intel, and we got more on the horizon.
Adios for now.
Hey, Mr. Pond Boss, tell me what to do to make all my Lunker Lake dreams come true.